Have you ever tried to create a stacked bar plot in Matplotlib only to find that the results are completely off? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Matplotlib and troubleshooting those pesky stacked bar plots. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your data visualization doesn't reflect what you expect. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face similar issues when working with stacked bar plots. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why are the sums for my stacked bar plot not adding up to 100? They noticed that for certain x-axis ticks, the results seemed completely arbitrary. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? Stacked bar plots can be tricky, especially if the data isn't structured correctly or if there are mistakes in the plotting code. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To address the issue with the stacked bar plot, the user should first ensure that the data being plotted is correctly normalized. This means that the values for each stack should sum up to 100%. Next, the user should check the data structure. The dataset should be a list of tuples where each tuple represents the values for each category in the stack. This ensures that the plotting function receives the correct input. After verifying the data structure, the user should adjust the plotting code. Specifically, they need to ensure that the bottom parameter in the bar function is correctly set to the cumulative sum of the previous stacks. Finally, the user should visualize the plot and check the y-axis limits. The y-axis should be set to display a maximum of 100 to reflect the percentage values accurately. Did you know? The first bar charts were created in the 18th century. We've come a long way since then, but the basics of data visualization remain just as important. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a Seaborn-like API to create a stacked bar plot. They recommend a function called stacked bar plot, which takes a wide-form data frame as input. This function allows you to specify the order of the stacks in the color palette. It computes the cumulative sum of the data and then plots each stack level in reverse order, ensuring a clear visual representation. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your data and code before plotting. This simple habit can save you hours of frustration in the long run. And there you have it. Your stacked bar plots should now be accurate and reflect the data correctly. Remember, attention to detail is key in data visualization. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on advanced plotting techniques.